What's up everybody, I'm Mark and today we're going to make an abstract painting using several different types of rollers. So as you saw when I was getting set up, I got 4 different rollers that I laid out. There's the sponge roller, the soft rubber roller, and 2 different hard rubber rollers. So we're going to go ahead and make an abstract painting using all 4 different types of rollers. And the good thing about rollers is they really are great at getting different types of textures. And they're also great at covering the canvas pretty quickly too. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I think I'm going to start by laying down naphthol crimson, naphthol, I don't know how to say it, but go ahead and get some paint going. And we'll start with the large hard rubber roller. As you can see, you get some really nice textures in there. All right, let's see what happens with this. Now, I'm going to use a wet rag to wipe this off. There's still a lot of paint on it, which I hate to waste, but I feel like to really get the effect I want with this yellow, without it mixing too much, I gotta wipe this off. So I'll be right back for that. Now that we've wiped our paint off, let's go ahead and get this going here. I'm sure you can start to see some of this textured effect we get in here. All right, now we're gonna throw some orange in the mix. Some cadmium red to be technical, but it looks orange to me. I don't know about you, what do you think about that? Put it in the comments below. Is this orange or is it cadmium or is it red? I mean, it's obviously named cadmium red, but at this point, I'm just trying to make sure I get all the pieces of the canvas that are still showing through. We shall see how this layer goes. This is a soft rubber roller, so let's go ahead and switch to the soft rubber roller. And since it's smaller, it'll help us get our areas covered a little bit better. So that way we can make sure we're getting this orange where we want it to go. Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna need more yellow. That's for sure. Using a roller is pretty easy. You pretty much just put the paint down, roll it out, try and get the textures that you want. But there's not a whole lot to it, to be honest with you. It's just a matter of knowing how to coordinate your colors and get the effects that you want. All right, so I feel like I'm gonna need a little bit more yellow in this area to kind of balance it out with this side over here. So let's go ahead and add a little bit more. Awesome. So as you can see, making abstract painting using rollers is one of the simplest things you can do as a beginner abstract painter. You get really nice textures very easily. It's pretty easy to come up with something cool. For more abstract painting techniques to help you get started on your art journey, check out this abstract painting techniques playlist right here.